welcome back. It's Tasha here, and I am here today with my November Birchbox unboxing. So we'll jump into that in just a minute. For those of you that are returning, welcome back. For those of you that are new here, my name is Tasha, and on my channel I do all things makeup. Unboxings, reviews, try-ons. If that sounds interesting to you, please consider subscribing. I do upload Monday, Tuesday, and Friday. And so without any more talk, we're going to go ahead and jump into Birchbox. So first of all, I understand that I am a total dork. I do get that. I am. But I have on my heard that. I know you can hardly see that, but it's cows and it says heard that. I think that is hilarious. Anyways, my heard that t-shirt with my Birchbox November unboxing. So the past couple of months, I have not been super impressed with Birchbox. For me, when I get a subscription box that is makeup based, I do prefer more makeup things versus other items. An occasional skincare item is great, I don't mind that, but for Birchbox, it really has been more hair care focused for the boxes that I've gotten at least. So let's jump into this month and see if it's any different. I did say I would do November and December, and then after that I will cancel if I don't have more makeup based items. So let's go ahead and jump in. One thing, like I always say, is that I really enjoy about Birchbox is that they do really have very pretty boxes. So this month it is kind of an abstract flower and petal design. It even is on the base of the box, which sometimes is not the case. And I do really enjoy that. I think it's very, very pretty. Let's go ahead and jump in and see what we have this month. So one thing that everyone received this month is a jade roller. And so I'm assuming that this is the jade roller. Let's take a look here. And so the jade roller is $12. And it is the Birchbox brand. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. It seems like it is very, very small. I gotta get my knife to get it open here. Let's pull it out. And although they do say that it is a full-sized roller, and certainly from this perspective it is full-sized, it does have a very, very small handle. It is all jade base, so you can see even the handle is jade. It does have the metallic to allow this to roll here. And the jade roller really is used, you can use it to help cool your skin. You can use it to help push in the serum that you have on your face, those kind of things. Or just in general to help with the lift kind of thing. Similar to a gua sha, which is that piece of jade that is kind of a more like a spatula that you use to massage, although this is just a little bit less aggressive than a gua sha. It is very small from my perspective, at least the handle is very small, and it does not feel super well made, although this is a very nice jade roller portion. I wish the handle were just a little bit longer so I didn't feel like it was such a small thing that I was using. Certainly for the face though, it will be a nice roller to help kind of massage in your different serums, those kind of things. So certainly nice. It's not bad. It's not the worst jade roller I've ever received, but definitely not the best jade roller I've ever received either. It is Birchbox brand for sure, and I know that everyone this month was getting a jade roller from Birchbox, so that is something that is included with everyone here. My next item that I see in here is from Kiss and Smink, and so this is the Everything in Tulum. So this is a multi-use balm that gives skin instant radiance, best applied with fingers. Pat onto your cheekbones, cupid's bow, bridge of nose and eyelids for a, oh my goodness gracious, sorry, I always drop something at some point, for a peachy toned glow. So let's see what this actually looks like. There is the shade that it's supposed to be on the bottom. I'll see if I can actually get into this. Don't do this at home, please. And so let's get that plastic off. Obviously this is not a full size. And so there is the color right there. It is a very corally, peachy color, which is beautiful, but there is quite a bit of radiance to it. So I will go ahead and swatch that on my hand there. And there's not a whole lot of color there. I did press kind of hard. More kind of like a highlighter than anything else. It is really, really radiant. It is pretty. It'll be interesting to use. I'm not sure what I think about that. Up close, it does have a peachy color. It is not very intense, kind of. It is very smooth, so it would be something that you could use and kind of pat on with your fingers to your cheeks. I don't know that I would do my Cupid bows per se, but certainly cheeks, if you wanted to add a little flush to your lips, that wouldn't be a bad idea. So there is our product right there. A full-sized is $20. I definitely would not put this on the bridge of my nose. That is for sure. The next item that I see in here is a very beautiful red-sized bottle that is, oh my goodness, I don't even know what, oh, so this is Beauty Protector. This is a Protect and Detangle. So this paraben-free and sulfate-free detangler protects against UV rays and heat styling while preventing color and fading. Spray all over towel, dried hair, and combed through. Full-size product at $23. Of course, we do not have a full-size product. I love the bottle. I love the red kind of outside packaging. Very nice spray. Oh, it smells very coconutty. I don't know that that is coconut based, but it does smell very coconutty. Really, really like that. It smells like tropical and coconut and beautiful. So certainly that is something that I will try. I am always into a detangler. Not a bad item at all. The next product is the smallest skincare item I have ever seen. This is the Pie Skincare. It is argan and Echium, E-C-H-I-U-M, Gentle Eye Cream. Full-size product is $54. It says this sensitive skin eye cream provides lightweight comfort and hydration to the eye area and improves the look of fine lines. Apply a pea-sized area under the eyes, AM and PM. And again, full-size product is $54. It is super small, very, very small. So this bottle is not even filled all the way up. It may be to here on the product. So very, very small sized. I do get for skincare, you need very little. So there is just a little bit of the cream. It is kind of a white peachy cream. And let's see what it feels like. It is very nice and emollient. It seems to sink into the skin very, very quickly, at least on my hands. It doesn't smell like a whole lot, maybe a little tea tree oil-ish. I don't know what the ingredients are because the product doesn't really say, but certainly we'll try it. Always up for an eye cream. I do enjoy that. The last product that I have here is the Orbi Dry Texturing Spray. Part dry shampoo, part texturizer. This multitasker soaks up oil and gives hair body and bounce. Spray 4 to 5 inches from roots and tousle to maximize lift. Full size is $48. Goodness gracious. I think that is a lot for a dry shampoo and hair texturizer. I don't know. I mean, maybe this is the most amazing stuff ever. Sorry, that surprised me. I didn't expect it to be that aggressive. I don't smell a whole lot. That was super aggressive and very surprising to me. I did not expect that at all. But here is that last product. For me, and I've said this before, so there's our 1, 2, 3, 4. Jade Roller is 5 items in here. I do not think that Birchbox is worth it. At least it's not for me. It is definitely very, very small sized items. I do think that Ipsy is way more of a better value. I don't think that was good English, but you know what I mean. I think that what you get for the price that you pay is a better value, because for Ipsy you pay $13, $14 for their lowest tier. You do get, of course, travel sizes, but you do occasionally get full-size items in that. I don't think I have ever received a full-size item in the Birchbox. It is the same exact price, and a lot of times this is not very makeup focused. So for some people who are looking for other options for skincare or for hair care, Birchbox may be the way to go. But for people who are looking for makeup-based items, I don't think that Birchbox is the subscription for you. Like I said, this is November's box. I will do December's box because supposedly it's going to be different and holiday. So certainly we'll do December. And then after that, if I still am not impressed and do not have a significant change, I will cancel this box and do something else that may be more makeup focused, because for me, that's what I prefer. Let me know, do you guys still get Birchbox? Do you enjoy it? What do you think about my unboxings? Is it something that you would like me to continue? Because certainly if it's something that you guys really enjoy, I really want to continue it. But if it's not, then I don't. So please give me some feedback. I would really appreciate that. I loved having you guys here with me today. Thank you so much for joining me on my unboxing. I hope that everyone is doing well. Stay safe, stay happy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!